Stephanie.
I'm L'Oreal.
And we are Happily Ever Elementary. Today we are so excited to be partnered with Michaels. We are bringing you a back-to-school project that is perfect for any of your kiddos. Now this project would be great for any year, but specifically since we're in a pandemic and we're not supposed to be sharing any supplies or materials, this is going to be the perfect project for this year.
So stickers are all the rage right now. Custom stickers, they're all over. So we're gonna be making some custom stickers using our names to show you how you can personalize and organize student supplies so your child can stay safe and stylish. All of the materials for this project can be purchased at Michaels. We're going to be using the Cricut Maker to cut out our stickers, but you're more than welcome to use the Cricut Explorer or any other Cricut machine. We also purchased some sticker paper to make it easy, and we loved the back to school options at Michaels, so here are some of our favorite items.
The first step for creating your personalized sticker is to either create or find a design that you like. You can find creators on Etsy or through other platforms to create stickers for you. However, we used the app Procreate in order to quickly hand draw ours, add some colors that match our supplies, and then we go ahead and transfer it to the Cricut design space.
Once our stickers are in the Cricut design space, we're going to click the option to cut. In the design space for the maker, we're going to select the material as sticker paper, and then we are going to send it over to our printer to be printed.
The next step is to load your Cricut sticker paper onto your mat and into your Cricut machine. Once your machine is done cutting out your sticker, you're able to just peel back the rest of the negative space and it leaves this really nice border around your sticker that's clean and precise.
Now that our stickers have been beautifully made, we were so excited to add them to the back to school supplies we got from Michaels. We were inspired by the Malala brand as soon as we walked in, and it just inspired our whole aesthetic for all of these school supplies. We are so happy with the quality as well as the color scheme that we have found, and Michaels had so many more options that we could have chosen from.
Even though this school year will look a little bit different for both teachers and students alike, still make sure to stop by your neighborhood Michaels to get all of the supplies that you may need.
So we hope you enjoyed that tutorial and that you're going to be able to go home and make your own personalized stickers to decorate some school supplies.
If you like this video, make sure you give it a nice thumbs up. If you have any questions about this craft or you want to request any other crafts moving forward, leave us a comment below. Make sure your bell notifications are turned on so you can see our other craft videos partnering with Michaels, and we hope to see you guys soon!